Hello, my name is Thomas Dickerson, or you can call me James Thomas Dickerson, but I go by Thomas for short because I really like it. It's pretty fun. Anyways, I'm actually excited to be in your class, digital imaging. I really like to know how to upload or record to the Google Drive or YouTube. But I actually do many videos of tributes about my favorite shipping from cartoons or movies. And I really like to draw pictures of cartoon characters. So, but I really like to say that I'm really excited to be in your class, and I hope it will be very interesting.